Franz Hayward. I'm a maintenance technician over Andros. Once I get a call to my iPad, I go there, see what the problem is, I take care of it, and I close the work order out, and I do that all day.
My name is Rosa. I work at the second floor of Castor. I've been here for 5 years. I enjoy working at USF. I love working with students and making sure they're happy with my work. I start at 8 o'clock in the morning. My morning routine, I make sure that the trash is out, the kitchen's clean, the study areas, the bathrooms. On Mondays, I do the deep clean, and then the rest of the week is refresh. So it's every day it gets refreshed, showers, toilets, sinks. We clean the lobbies every day, the study areas every day, kitchens we clean every day.
Don't be afraid to call the work order in because it's gonna get called in by the housekeeping. So I mean, you don't want it to get worse because that's what it'll do. It'll get worse by holding on to it. When the student calls in a work order, we jump on it right away. And that's the same as with housekeeping.
But I look at it this way, I'm a mom. I want my child to feel comfortable using the restrooms or, being in a clean environment. So I make sure that everything is well taken care of so that students and when the parents come around, they can feel comfortable and, enjoy what they see.
I get a ton of work orders and that's how I know so many of the students. And that's kind of good because they know who's coming in that building. Say for instance, if somebody came in there to fix something and it wasn't me, they'll know that you're not the technician over Andros.
I enjoy being around students. I love to interact with them, know how their day is going, how was their weekend, just little things like that. I love to make sure that they're satisfied and they're happy.
Students come first, and that's how it's supposed to be. Students come first. Go Bulls!